come to why did you attend the boot camp?
All right, so as a gym owner and coach, so I do everything for the business. I do everything inside and outside. My specialty, all my training, all my studies, all my education has been for the main dish of the gym, and that's coaching. I spent a lot of time honing in those skills, becoming a good coach, or as good as I can be. Every day I'm working on being a better coach. Marketing, though, is so strange to me, but because I've never really worked in that area and never studied it. But without it, I don't have anyone to coach. So that's why I've been trying to learn more and trying to do more on that front, is so that I can use the skills and use my education to actually help more people. Right now, my gym is about 60 members, so I have access to 60 people on a regular basis, and I get to contribute to their lives and help them. But through marketing, I'm hoping to double that in 1 year, and that's reaching out and actually getting a hold of people's attention, and I just don't really know how to do that. This workshop was awesome because not only did it give me just direct tools on how to reach more people, a couple concepts that I hadn't realized until the workshop was my target market. And I've heard this all over the place, right? Know who your public is, target them. And the workshop really got me thinking about who that really is, who do I best service, who can afford my products, who can keep up and be consistent with the type of training that I deliver, and then really focusing in on that area and making those people know that I'm here and getting their attention as opposed to other folks that aren't within that category. That was a huge takeaway from the boot camp. The other one was I had an interesting experience last year where my membership kind of exploded all of a sudden. I guess I was doing really good with my marketing, I don't know, but it exploded and exploded really fast, and I actually was not able to sustain it. My service dropped a bit towards the new folks that I had in. I had this big influx, and the delivery just suffered. I didn't manage it well. There was holes in my structure, and the first half of boot camp made it really obvious what had happened, because I then ended up losing a lot of members. When I say a lot is like 7. And that's a lot when you have a small gym. And so the workshop really helped me see what had happened and isolate, okay, this is the area that suffered. This is the area that dropped the ball. And so the first half of boot camp was all about setting up your organization so that even if it's just you, like it is for me, so that you can handle the inflow that is a result of effective marketing. So there's 2 big realizations that I got from the boot camp, and I highly recommend it for anyone in business, whether you're running a multi-billion-dollar company or a little place like this. Sabran and Ron definitely have a lot of insight on organizations and what to do with people, get people's attention, and how to help them better.